Want to become a profitable trader? Here's how to become a profitable trader in 3 simple steps. Step 1, master one strategy. Stop jumping between indicator strategy. Pick one proven setup, learn it inside and out, and stick to it until you're consistent. Step 2, risk management. Only risk 1 to 2, maybe 5%, depending on skill level, to your account per trade, right? Try to aim for a 1 to 2.5 to 3 risk to reward, and you will double and triple the account size in no time if you have discipline, and so on and so forth. Always use a stop loss. Always protect your capital. Protecting your capital is how you stay in the game and how you play the long game. Step 3, control your emotions. Don't revenge trade. Don't force trades. Trust your plan. Don't revenge trade, right? Remember, trading is 80% mindset, 20% strategy, skills, technical fundamentals, and so on and so forth, right? Those are the 3 simple steps it takes to become a profitable trader in this trading niche, trading realm, or whatever it is that we're in, right? So follow me for more trading tips.